Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Tactical. Today I want to take a look at the American Blade Works Model 1 V4. But before I open this bad boy up, I want to go over some of the quick little details that kind of strike you right off the bat. As you can see, all of the hardware matches the blade. And that's a really good touch in my opinion. That finish, along with that marbled red carbon fiber, just looks absolutely amazing. And then you see the back spacer, and then you're just like, oh wow. As you can see right there, stamped on the blade, S35VN. It is cryo tempered, so it will take and hold an edge for a really long time. The flipper tabs, nice and rounded off. No 90-degree angles. Not going to dig into your leg while it's in your pocket. If you keep flipping it like I do, it's not going to dig into your finger. And I will admit, this bad boy is absolutely amazing. It just deploys so smoothly. It actually is running on caged ceramic bearings with stainless steel thrust washers. The detent is ceramic ball too, so when this baby fires, it fires. I mean, it's not going to go off in your pocket or anything like that, but man, I gotta admit, it's one of the smoothest blades I've held in a long time. But anyway, let's go over some of the specs real quick. The blade length is 3.25 inches. The thickness is 0.185. The handle or closed length is 4.67. The width is 1.125 with a thickness at 0.562. So size-wise, it's close to the bug out as far as the blade goes. The handle's about a ½ inch longer. Now the PM3, a little bit longer in it, of course. I know a lot of people have the PM3s, but if you don't have either one of them, I guess you could say it's closer to the size of the PM2. PM2's maybe a ¼ inch longer in the handle, maybe an 1/8 inch longer in the blade, something like that. Yeah. Honestly, it's the perfect EDC size. And the weight on this bad boy, it's a lot lighter than you would think. I mean, a knife that size, you know, you'd think 5, 6, 7 ounces, something like that. This is what surprised me. 3.450, actually 3.445. Yeah, I think that's what I got earlier. I thought it was wrong, but no, it's 3.5 ounces, which, you know, that has a lot to do with the titanium backspacer and clip and, you know, the marbled carbon fiber. Yeah, it's pretty light as well, but I gotta say, this is really the perfect EDC knife, you know, in my opinion. As far as availability goes, they are sold out right now on the AmericanBladeWorks.com website. They have multiple variations available, but like I said, everything's sold out right now. I know he's prepping for Blade Show. American Blade Works has a booth in the main room this year, so if you're going to that, definitely check them out. Put one of these bad boys in your hands and just see for yourself how awesome it is. In my opinion, if I could pick a winner right now, this is knife of the year right now, as is. Hands down, that's my champion right there. But if you can't make it to Blade Show this year, check out AmericanBladeWorks.com. Check them out on Instagram. Check me out on Instagram. And stay tuned for my next few videos because I have a few other blades I'm going to be testing out. Not really sure which order I'm going to be posting this stuff in, but stay tuned. It's all going to be good. Anyway, stay safe. See you guys on the next one.